So why not post up with the God Bless the Homeless sign right in front of the police entrance, and let's see if they respect our rights. Looks like we got somebody interested in us. Hopefully they respect our rights. Welcome to CT3 Live. I'm JT Young, your host, and this is an episode of Respect Our Rights. It's November 6th, 1:11 p.m. And look, today I'm going to be holding this sign, making sure everyone respect our rights. I'm not going to keep you waiting any longer. Let's get right into it. Human resources, training. So, I'm not sure how anyone will get helped around here since everyone is in a meeting. So what we will do, we will find the police department in Garner and come back and do our public record come back and do our public records request.
You could do so. You want him to do you so much you could do anything.
Hey, how you doing? Oh, this is the library? Oh, okay. I was just at town hall, and it's empty. Well, usually nobody's working?
Frequently, I mean, it's dependent on we're not part of the same.
Okay, gotcha.
We're not part of the same government.
It's lit, you're not part of Sound what?
Same government.
Oh, you're not?
Their city, where this is county.
Oh, you're county, okay. Okay, all right, I was thinking this was maybe the town hall, but.
Town hall is next door.
Yeah, it was empty. All right, thank you so much. Hey, how are you? I'm doing great. I just came to look around. It looks pretty small.
Sure.
So this is the only area to the public?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
So very small. Chief of police. Very small area. Alrighty. Take a look around. why not post up with the God Bless the Homeless sign right in front of the police entrance, and let's see if they respect our rights. Looks like we got somebody interested in us. Hopefully they respect our rights. Hey. Hello, God bless the homeless. Well, I thought she was coming to us. She just went to her vehicle.
How are you?
Great.
I just wanted to introduce myself.
Oh, you're the chief.
I am. I just wanted to say hey and come introduce myself and see if there's anything I can do.
Okay, that's nice of you. No, I'm just spreading the message today.
Okay.
God bless the homeless.
Well, I'm Lori Smith.
Yeah, I just seen you on the wall at the police department.
And do you mind what?
I'm Jay.
Hey, Jay.
Yes.
Yeah, is there anything we can do for you today?
No.
Been inside?
Yep, I went inside. I'm good to go. I'm just spreading the message today.
All right, well, just be careful walking through here because they're in and out. And
Yeah, for
sometimes
sure.
it's hard to see. So, yeah, if we can do anything for you, just let us know.
All right. Thank you. That was actually the chief that we seen on the wall there. Looks like she respected our rights. It's good. It's good. That's good. That's good. Hey, how you doing? Good. I just actually met your chief, and she asked that I have a question. I do have one now.
Sure, she is actually about to come around and greet you.
All right, thank you. Hey, I'm sorry to bother you, but so that original interaction, I wanted it to be organic. So I didn't let you know exactly what I was doing.
Okay.
But so I actually go around to different towns and cities and make sure everyone is respecting our rights. Okay. And so I do want to tell you before I leave that y'all are doing a great job.
Well, good.
Y'all doing it, and I see why, because you're the chief.
Oh, well, we're people too, right? So if this is our lobby, we just got new floors. As you can tell, they look pretty good, but we'd be glad to give you a tour of the public area. If you want to take a look around, I can show you what's public and not secured. Obviously, our office is secured and beyond the door over here, but if you want to see our training room.
Oh, no, this is perfect. This is perfect. But I have one question.
Sure.
So can you leak your secret method on your training methods that you have.
We don't have a secret method. We just, try to be decent human beings and be good people and make sure that our staff is polite and courteous and that they know about everybody's First Amendment rights and that we respect those. So,
And how often do you go over that?
training periodically. We
Periodically.
usually do it annually. Yeah, we make sure that we keep our staff up to date.
Perfect. Well, thank you so much. You're setting an example for the rest of the departments.
Oh, absolutely. It was nice to meet you.
You too.
David.
You have a great one.
Yeah, you too.
Thank you for being so nice.